Airsoft Draft here. I'm getting another video recorder here pretty soon. I'm pretty sure. This is just on my phone, so sorry about the quality. It's all crap. Uh, Basically, I'm doing a review, not a shooting test yet. Review on the M9 CO2 gas blowback pistol from airrattle.com. It comes with the gun, the mag, the Allen wrench, and it came with about 50 to 60 BBs. Looked like they were .12. But sorry if you see any white fur. It's from my dog. Trying to keep it out of everything. But I just got this about an hour and a half ago. I had already shot 2 canisters of CO2 out. I got about 100 rounds of .2s out of each can of CO2, so it's a good amount. This particular model has sorry, my voice just cracked. Has semi-automatic, full automatic, and safe. It's basically just like any other M9 out there. How to take the slide off, you press this button and you press right there down, and the slide should come right off. Yep, right there. I would show you how to take the blowback system out and the barrel out, but I this is like this is the second video I'm making because I screwed up on that. I can't do it while one-handed, but you push. I push this back a little bit. It helps me, and then push that back out. So, and then you're ready to go. Push this up, and then down, and then there you go. I'm pretty happy with the mag. I like the flatness on the bottom. I like the capacity. It holds 26 rounds. The CO2 goes in right there. I kind of don't like how you have to have an Allen wrench to put in the CO2, but it happens, you know. So yeah, that's basically all. I also, in the order, I also got silicone spray oil and .2 gram BBs, 4,000 of them, which I already shot about 100 out of them, 150. But next week, I'm getting my M16A4 full metal. Well, not exactly full metal, basically full metal though. So yeah, uh, cleaned it already. It's basically all. I mean, it has a nice weight to it, even without the mag in it. So yeah, it's real nice weight. It doesn't seem as it's a nice beginner pistol if you want to spend $80 on a pistol. I got it off airrattle.com. If you live around the Erie area, Pennsylvania area, Ohio, you'll get, if you order off of AirRattle, you will get it within a day. So don't bother getting any ship right in 2 days or overnight expense. Don't bother doing any of that if you live in that area. It'll come within a day. Because I had to figure that out. There was a tiny link down right corner, and it showed me a map of where they were located in the U.S. and um, it said it would ship within 1 day for me. So I'm getting my M16A4 off of airrattle.com too, and I'm getting a scope for it, which I gotta pay for myself. So yeah, this is basically it.